Hello and welcome to Ben Max Motors. Here today with the 2016 Toyota Auris. It's an Excel Touring Sport Edition. It's a 1.8 automatic. It's also a petrol hybrid in a lovely blue colour. Great condition inside and out. Does come with 84,400 miles. Comes with a full main service dealer service history. MOT until 29th of October 25. And being a hybrid, also comes with a 0 road tax rate. Great car, great drive. All electric windows, mirrors, high adjustable front seats, the lumbar support, power button for keyless start. Also comes with the speed limiter and cruise control here. And as you can see, 84,428 miles there on the clock. And steering controls. A lovely 7-inch touchscreen for your car information. Handsfree. Sat-Nav. Your radio. And your general settings there as well. Just come with dual zone climate control. It also has heated front seats, aux and USB input, 12 volt there as well. Parking button. Does also come with EV mode, eco and power mode. Manual handbrake with 2 cup holders in the centre console. Bit of storage there in the armrest with more underneath. Moving into the back, again, electric windows, slightly tinted back glass, bit of extra storage in the back of the front seats there as well, along with 12 volt charging port. The back seats are a 60-40 split with adjustable headrests. Does also have a centre armrest with 2 cup holders. Very spacious, very comfy, nice and clean, great drive. And opening the boot to a very generous space. That's will fit plenty in here. It's also come with an adjustable parcel shelf, which you can have in different positions. And all the way back. Again, electric windows. Plenty of space. Again, high adjustable front seat, adjustable headrests. And there we are, 2016 Toyota Auris Excel Touring Sport, 1.8 automatic, petrol hybrid in a lovely blue colour, comes with 2 keys and 6 months warranty. Here at Ben Max Motors for $9,995. Thank you for watching.